Hey, good afternoon. This is Neil of Simpler Futures, and it's Thursday, December 28th, and tomorrow is it. Tomorrow is it. End of the quarterlies that'll expire, and the SPX, etc. So December 29th, Friday, end of the month, and then next week is a short week. You get Monday is the first, so Monday is closed, all together, and then we'll have a short week next week, Tuesday through Friday. Today was very, very boring. Really very boring. I'll give you an example. The Dow had a little bid, the NASDAQ broke a little, and the S&P literally stayed inside of its opening 5-minute range throughout the entire day. It was crazy quiet, crazy quiet, but there were things to do here and there. We did a bunch of options trades, getting ready for next week, if you still believe in, and I do, buy the dip. I was putting bullish exposure on and Apple and Tesla and Goldman Sachs. Some even for tomorrow, like Goldman Sachs is out into January, but there were a couple things we put on for tomorrow. SPY and some Tesla to stick and pin on. You can open the options chain and see the open interest. You can see the big open interest in the SPY that likely pins it somewhere between 477 and 80. So we put the flies on it like 479. And Tesla's got a bunch of open interest up around 263 and 4. It tagged that level and broke today down to like 258, but basically looking for it to just more over, stay kind of supported. The idea for Goldman goes out into January, but it's up around $400 because it's 385 or something now, but over that time period it's got earnings and it's got a $20 expected move on the options chain. So there's a couple ideas. And additionally, we're looking at buying crude at $71.60. That's the yearly pivot. So little tad bit cheaper, not much, but a little tad bit cheaper. We're going to buy micros because we want to treat that as a swing trade. Nat gas has got, you can see it. It's down here. It's got a little bid trying to get run that up into about $3 and maybe even $3.20, but $3 and $3.20 on targets on that. Soybeans holding this proposed kind of support, trend line support that we've been talking about. I want to see beans and corn and wheat to the upside long. Ooh, I don't know if you'll be able to tell there, but I just paused the video for a minute because I had a bad coughing fit just come over me with a really scratchy throat. But, yeah, so we like gold long on seasonal into the end of the year and first part of January, probably first half of January, so long gold. Going to give this crude a shot, right? It made it really, really close to that target that we had up just above $76. It missed it by pennies, but missed the target. But anyway, it was a good target, I think. Got really close up and above 76. But from there, it's broken all the way back down to this support from which it came at 72. So we're going to try and buy it, right? We're going to try and buy it on the yearly pivot right there at 71.60 and see if that's good. For a move back up into 73 and 5, and let's see what else. That's pretty much, I guess, really about it. I still very much believe in this buy the dip for now. We'll get somewhere out into January, maybe middle of January. Maybe don't make it that far. Maybe we do, maybe we don't, but somewhere out there in January before we start maybe have a look at maybe even shorten it. Let it set up. I mean, I'm not gonna go try to pick a top or anything like that, but it's it's moved quite a ways, and we'll get this January effect kind of kicked off, and then we'll see about maybe finally time for a decent size retracement. But we're not there yet, so why worry about that right now? Worry about that when it's time. For now, we'll worry about wrapping up the year tomorrow. Wishing everybody a good happy new year. Hope you had a good 23, and we'll look forward to making it ideally even a better 24. And that all starts very soon. So for tonight, I'll go sign off, and I don't do videos on Friday, so I'm not going to see you again until middle of next week, which will be the new year. So happy new year. Signing off.